Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a fabulous Friday. Real traders never trade by themselves. They trade with their fellow nerds, like Babe Ruthless, like Daniel, like Denote, like Darmesh, like DMT, like Dwayne, like G-Tech, like James, like Jason, like John, like John's iPhone, like Matt Jolly Wally. Where's Hal at? Mikey Smith, Mo, Notional Ed, Roper Medic. We got Scott. We've got Stefan, Stephen, Todd, Vicky, everybody. Where is Hal? Hal's always here. Maybe Hal's okay. I get used to y'all being here all the time, and sometimes you're not. I'm like, what's happened? What's wrong? So, y'all, we got us a little sell off today. 1.74%. Wow, how about that? The VIX has raised its little head a little bit. It's at 22. The AD is wicked sick, negative 342. And what was amazing is that the AD was relatively mild during this. Y'all see this? But the market was up and down and up and down and up and down. So that's kind of unusual. Normally, the market kind of follows. This was flat and the market was up. So this was kind of flat and the market was down. That's a little unusual. Looks like volume is elevated a little bit. But anyway, 1.76% down move. Let's look at the big green monster, see if we can glean anything from that. And not really. It looks like we should have support at the 5402. We are around 5415 right now. So we've got a little bit of support down there. So maybe it's mostly done, but we are oversold. Let's go to the linear regression. In our linear regression, it is, oh, it looks like it's a little overdone too, doesn't it? Looks like it's a little overdone. But doesn't this kind of start looking like this without the increased volatility? Kind of starts looking like that a little bit, doesn't it? So anyway, we had contraction and then expansion to the downside. Now, will this continue or will we stop right here? Looks like we got a little support on our linear regression line, but not sure if we'll stop there or not. It'd be interesting to see what next week is. It kind of feels like this Friday, doesn't it? See this? Kind of feels like this. And who knows if we'll have the thing on Monday or not. But anyway, that'll be good. Oh, in the Muscadine Mafia today, we're going to do Muscadine Mafia. We're going to do Ninja Nerds. We're going to do Hello Ladies Game.
Hello, ladies.
And of course, we're going to have the Muscadine Mafia where we will gather. And I'm going to unveil to you what I'm thinking about for my income trade. And we're going to do some option omega type stuff, which will be really, really kind of cool. Do some back testing and see if we can figure out something. Uh, I mean, here's the thing. And I appreciate y'all's comments on YouTube so much. Y'all were like, Bobby, you like a ship without a rudder. Like, oh my God, man, what is wrong with you? And I agree. I agree. Yes, in a bit. You know, someone made the comment yesterday that, oh my God, you're waiting for the 20% drop that may or may never happen. You know, and you're just going to bleed your account down. So I appreciate all those things. But at the end of the day, you and I are option sellers, and I need to realize that. And we do have to take risk in order to make income. So I think what I'm going to unveil today in the with Option Omega in our Muscadine Mafia session is going to be pretty good. I think y'all enjoy that. Okay, so let's see how our little account's doing today. It's pops its little head up a little bit on the net lick. Our hedges are doing a little bit of something. Let's see, today is 9/6/24. And it looks like we are at 75,941. So we're up a little bit, 75,941. Play it, Rico, baby. Play it, baby.
Well, we're moving on now. Moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Let's check our Greeks and ratios on our little account here. It's -7, -84. And we've got positive beta. Oh. -7, -84. -7, -84. Remember, we think that we've got fake theta in here. And our buying power is probably going to be about the same. Let's see. If we go over here and we go to cap requirement, and let's do this up a little bit. Oh, we're up a little bit, aren't we? 49.81. 49.81. So let's put that in. 49.81. So we're using about 6%, 6.5% of our buying power. And we do have a lot that we can sell that we could sell against our buying power if we become premium sellers again. We just want to do it in the right way. So I'm really excited about what we're going to show today in the Muscadine Mafia section. So let's look at our little hedges today and see if they're still here. So let's go to risk analysis, and we've got everything marked here. So it looks like we're at about $36,000 worth of protection. That said 30, and then all of a sudden it went up to 36. So that's kind of good. Maybe that's because of the increased volatility or something. So it looks like we're doing really well. Let's see how our GTC orders are looking at today. So let's go to those. And activity. That's got back to $1.05. We had this down to about 45 cents. So, those are the issues with this particular strategy, is there are times when these things get far, far away and they're not nearly close to filling. And remember, we've kind of got a rule that says if we go 24 days, we need to do something. So the last time that we actually put on part of a hedge was 7 days ago. Everybody see that? So there's really nothing that we need to do with this other than wait a little bit. We just don't want to go 24 days without making some type of move. And the move may be a diagonal BSH. It may be buying the longs at whatever price. It may be harvesting the shorts at whatever price. But really, you just don't want to have about 24 days in here without some action on your hedge. Okay. All right. So let's go to Muscadine Mafia section, and y'all join us there. If you have a question about Muscadine Mafia, just join our Discord and then join our Muscadine Mafia. Today, we'll open Muscadine Mafia to Ninja Nerds and also to the Hello Ladies gang. So everybody else, what's the question here? My last one was 21 days, Matt Jollywally. Yeah, 3 more days, and you might want to make some little move just to keep, that's, Oh, Daniel, where's this located? Okay, so what I'll do, let me show you how I do this. I will go into Discord and I will post, there is a Muscadine Mafia chat and there's a Hello Ladies Gang chat and there's a Ninja Nerds chat, and I will post the Zoom link within those 3 rooms. So if you remember Muscadine Mafia, you can find that link, and Hello Ladies Gang and Ninja Nerds. And always the first Friday of the month, we open it up to everybody in the 3 premium groups. All right. So that's where it's located. So I will see everybody in Muscadine Mafia just shortly.